Today for the Bitcoin and crypto prices, ladies and gentlemen, in the Bitcoin charts right now, something is coiling up. I need to talk about it. It is Friday right now, and this chart pattern is speaking a very, very clear language as to what we can expect throughout the next few days, leading into the next week, leading into the all-decisive next week of February. Let's talk about that, dear ladies and gentlemen. It is crazy, and yes, I am in my trade still. The SUI trade open, the Solana trade open, the Ethereum trade open, the Bitcoin trade open, all together accumulated $13 million in unrealized profits, $15 million in realized profits. But the question is it smarter now, before February, to close down the trades? Or can we expect some more movements towards the upside? I want to show you the charts and break down exactly what I am expecting right now for Bitcoin, right now for cryptocurrency. Let's get straight into it. And dear ladies and gentlemen, crazy to watch the performance of our channel recently. Like, the videos have been going insane, and all your likes, all your positive feedback, the views, I truly appreciate it. We are really growing together, hopefully with the Bitcoin price, but this is exactly what we are going to talk about right now. Thank you so much for all your love. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your amazing MMCrypto channel subscription, since some of you guys already here for like 8 years. It's completely amazing. Let's talk about what is happening for Bitcoin. This is the daily daily candles for Bitcoin. And quick update, guys, probably later today I will upload a video, almost 2 hours, with Brian Rose from London Real, with my full story here on my YouTube channel. Today, latest tomorrow, most likely today, where I am telling you everything from the beginning until the end, how I went from a taxi driver to Bitcoin man. That was the best word I could come up with, because I really want to stay humble here. And of course there were a lot of difficulties and like crazy. I will upload the whole story. Make sure you watch it. In the end of the day, of course, all glory to God. So happy about like all the blessings and everything. Now let's talk about whether price-wise we are going to find more blessings for Bitcoin, right? Let's see what is happening here. You can see on the daily candles, Bitcoin was, of course, consolidating here in this falling wedge. And I really like that this is a daily pattern, because daily patterns are much more often working out than not. What we can see, we already hit the target of that, which is the top of the wedge. So this pattern is completed, basically. So you cannot really trade this anymore. But how can we get any value here from this? Well, what happened after the completion of the pattern? What happened after we actually hit the price target? We went down and we confirmed the previous resistance, which was then turning into support. What we need now to confirm this as a positive potential move here is we need to unfortunately break above the previous rejection point, $109,400. Overall, this is really not a very clear picture, because it's not that we are having higher highs, higher lows. No, here we are at a lower low and here we are at a higher high. Quite unique. So what I would say is, until February, until Monday, which I believe is much more likely to be bullish than bearish, I want to make this point. February is way more likely to be bullish than bearish. But until then, I would wait. The weekend is in front of us. And if we are pulling out the EMA ribbon, you can see Bitcoin simply needs to stay above this support area here. Also, if I were to pull out the VPVR, you can see it's coinciding the bottom of the daily ribbon, also 97,000. That is the line in the sand. That is exactly the level we need to hold. It is the bottom of the EMA ribbon. It is the previous support, which was already confirmed. We need to hold 97, 98 throughout the weekend, which shouldn't be too difficult. And if we do that, I think most likely February is going to be bullish. Historically, February was, I think, the most bullish month at all for crypto, including altcoins, including Ethereum. I think every year besides 1 year was basically green, right? That doesn't mean it has to be green, just talking about statistical likelihoods here. Also, this quarter is supposed to be green. Most likely. January already concluded slightly green. February should be green. And that the level we have to watch for that is of course the level I mentioned. Also, I will later on go to Satoshi Roundtable, this very, very famous, legendary private invite only conference. Maybe I'll tell a little bit about that, but I don't want to be like too open walking around with my phone there. But I'll definitely update you about that as well. But this is exactly what we should be looking out for this weekend, which is about to come right now. I think it is important that we are holding that level, and I think it is very important to look out how we are starting the next week. Most likely, I think bullish, but who knows? We need to watch the weekend. You can trade this whole thing. Be careful though. With the links in the pinned comment in the video description, $30,000 free on Bybit, $5,000 free trade on Levex, 20% bonus on the non-KYC exchange BitUnix. All of that down below, and yeah, I will come to you later with the next update. Just make sure you're subscribing to the channel so you are here and you are getting the notification when I'm uploading my next video. Thank you so much for watching. We are going to see each other very soon in the next one. MMCrypto, as always, guys. As always, bye.